I just want to do a quick little video here to show you how I took Sydney's image and made it a little bit more impactful. So the first thing I did was I created a curves layer and I darkened down the background. And notice the layer mask here. Let's click on that. That's what the layer mask looks like. So the kid is coming through totally, and then we're darkening down the background. So come back off there. But those arm straps of the guy, his shirt, are still a little distracting. So I added another layer where I just took those down. It was easier than trying to retouch them away. So I just put some black paint on here, it blended in. I kept a little bit of the tone through here, kept some of the tone here. You can still see that there's someone back here, but it's just not as distracting as it was before. So a little bit of Photoshop, same image, same effect, just a little bit more powerful. So think about editing as well when you're making your images.